All right, so our closing segment is our man Brandon here is going to do a time challenge.
Kill him.
And the challenge is going to be the following. You're going to disassemble 1 time, reassemble 2 times, but it's going to be a continuous clock, and then we'll cut it and see where you are.
So disassemble, reassemble.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
You've heard the story of the hot rod race that a fatal day when the Ford and the Mercury went out to play. Well, this is the inside story, and I'm here to say I was the kid that was driving that Model 8. Well, it's got a Lincoln motor and it's really souped up, but that Model 8 body makes it look like a pup. It's got 12 cylinders and uses them all with an overdrive. It just won't stall.
24 seconds.
It's got a 4-barrel carb and dual exhaust. 4-11 gears can really get lost. It's got safety tubes, and I'm not scared. The brakes are good and the tires are fair. We left San Pedro late one night. The moon and the stars are shining bright. Everything went fine up the Grapevine Hill. We was passing cars like they were standing still. And all of a sudden, like a flick of an eye, a Cadillac sedan had passed us by. A remark was made, "There's a car for me," but then the taillights were all you could see. Well, the fellas ribbed me for being behind, so I started making that licking on the line. I took my foot off the gas, and man alive, I shoved it down into overdrive. Well, I wound it up to 110 and twisted the speedometer cable off at the end. I had my foot feet clear to the floor. I says, that's all there is, and there ain't no more. Went around a corner and I passed the truck. I whispered a prayer just for luck. The fenders was flicking the guardrail post. The guys beside me were wide as ghosts. I guess they thought I'd lost my sense. The telephone poles looked like a picket fence. They said, slow down, I see spots. The lines of the road just looked like dots. Smoke was rolling out in the back. When I
That's fucked.
154.
We can cut that and do it again.
All right.
Maybe we should also explain afterwards what you took apart.
Let's stop really quick here. Because when was the last time you really did that?
Probably been a good year.
That's why I think everyone should put their own together, because it makes you understand all the different working components of it.
Yeah.
Instead of just going to the store and going,